Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you a brand new eye cream. So a while ago I did a lovely review on a company called Shake Up Cosmetics, which is aimed at men, but of course women can use it too. Now clearly they must have liked my review because they sent me this. Now this is the brand new eye cream, which apparently does something that most eye creams wish they did, but didn't, which is give instant results. So I'm going to apply this on my face now, but you're not going to see it because the camera and the lights aren't going to give you a good representation. So I'm going to take a before picture and then an after, and you'll get a better result. I'm also going to take a picture of my partner as well, before and after, so you can see the eye area. Just on my finger, and then I'm just going to apply it underneath my eye. And I took too much, so I'm going to use the rest on the other side. And what you want to do here is tap it in lightly and then gently smooth it into the skin. And just pat it into place and wait for the magic. Now, while this dries, and it takes about 60 seconds or so, unlike a lot of other instant kind of eye creams on the market that leave white marks underneath the eyes, this doesn't do that at all. Now, I'll be completely honest, I have no idea how it does what it does. Now, the skin underneath the eye after you've used this does feel tighter. Things do feel more pulled together. But for that instant kick, for those of you who want to have a more noticeable reaction straight away, I've got to say it's pretty clever and one of a kind, because it does give you that instant tightening effect. It just is, it's a bizarre, and it doesn't feel pulled or tight like some of them on the market do. You don't feel any of that. You get that moisturizing kind of benefit, but there's just something happening that just gives you that real kind of smoothing effect, which is, it's pretty incredible. You also get 50 mils of product in here as well, which is pretty good. It's your standard for an eye cream, but especially one that actually delivers those kind of instant results that you're looking for. There you go, instant eye cream. Clever, it works. It certainly makes things look better under the eye, without a doubt. It's amazing. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.